how to turn on or off dark mode on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, okay, tap the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. And settings in privacy and preference section. Okay, you can see here the accessibility. Okay, tap this. Here in accessibility, you can see the display, the dark mode. And to turn on or off the dark mode, tap the view button on the right side of this display. And tap the dark mode. So choose if you want to use dark mode. And now you can see here the option. So you can turn on the dark mode by selecting the on. And okay, that's it. We have successfully turned on the dark mode. So if you want to set into system, okay, we'll adjust your appearance based on your device system settings. And okay guys, I decided to set into off the dark mode. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off dark mode on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.